So we got the bonsai burger minus the teriyaki, and then basically I just wanted the pineapple. And we're eating here with one of my subscribers, longtime fellow subscriber, number 3, and just having a good time and chatting it up and drinking some water. So, all right, this is stupid. But give me a rev real quick. Did you do it? Oh yeah, I hear it. What? Oh baby, that was sick. That sounded good. Oh my goodness. That's mean, dude. Is that turbocharged? I heard a little turbo whistle going. Dang. All right, we're gonna do a little rev right here.
Make sure you're in park first. Dude, you leave it.
Reverse. All right, your turn.
That was it.
Oh my god. Security! Security! No, I don't think so, buddy.
One eternity later.